Get started. On our skull head, let's add a signal from this area when another area enters it. We're going to say if area dot is in group, we'll call the group projectile. U3. On our projectile group, we're going to add node groups. We're going to add a group to this, call it projectile. Click OK. It's in the projectile group. When we shoot, these now disappear. What you will need to do is adjust the collision shape here so that it takes up more space, probably around there. Now when I shoot the enemy, they die. Next video, we'll look at adding an explosion effect.